Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Again, this is BM and today, pag-uusapan natin guys kung worth it pa nga bang maglaro ng Rohan 2 Global as a free-to-play player this 2026. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung worth it pa nga ba maglaro ng Rohan 2 Global as free-to-play player this 2026. Now, this game is pretty fun to play, to be honest with you, kasi so far, in terms of the mechanics, ibang-iba siya sa mga MMOs na nakikita natin, yung mga modern MMOs right now, na puro item lang talaga yung pagkakakitaan nyo. While Rohan 2 Global has a unique system, and at the same time, lahat talaga ng mga OG players is nag-benefit from the game itself. But anyway, kung nagbabala ka maglaro ng Rohan 2 Global, worth it pa nga ba itong laruin right now? And kung free-to-play player ka, ano yung mga dapat mong malaman dito sa game na to? So, ito yung video na sasagot sa mga tanong mo. So, keep watching the video. So, ano nga ba yung mga things to consider mo kung isa kang free-to-play player dito sa Rohan 2 Global? So, number one is the gacha. Because normally, yung game na to guys is merong gacha for three categories. So, number one is meron siyang gacha pulls for mount, meron siyang gacha pulls for costume, and meron din siyang gacha pulls for pets. So, tatlo yung gacha na meron dito sa game na to. Now, in terms of costumes, pwede ka makapag-pull niyan using crons. And syempre, kung beginner ka, wala kang crons na naka-imbak or wala ka naman talagang crons sa account mo. So, technically, hindi mo din siya magagawa. Now, what are the ways for you to be able to get those tickets para makapag-pull kayo at makakuha kayo ng either rare or epic ng mga mounts, costumes, or even pets? So usually, si Rohan 2, meron siyang event every 14 days and you will be able to get dazzling tickets which gives you a higher percentage in terms of the reward rate or dun sa gacha pools na yun. So medyo mataas yung percentage niya compared dun sa nabibili sa shop mismo. So mas maganda na makuha nyo to guys kasi minsan nakakakuha ko dito ng epic. Okay, minsan isang epic or dalawang epic yung nakukuha natin. So magandang panimula yan guys in order for you to be able to somehow have a better stat. Kasi each gachas, okay, mapa mount, mapa egg, mapa costume, meron niyang stat allocation. And epic costumes gives you the attack speed as well. So that's one of the important things in this game, which is yung attack speed. And at the same time, may mga bonuses pa yung ibang categories like yung mounts nga and also yung pet na makukuha mo sa egg ticket. Okay? So, importante yan guys na dapat yung makuha. So, daily login lang naman and magbe-benefit din naman kayo dyan. Okay? So, if in any case man na free-to-play player kayo and hindi talaga kayo magta-top up kahit piso dito sa game na to, well, dapat makuha nyo yan, event na yan. Okay? Now, the second thing that you have to consider here is your items. Okay, as a free-to-play player, kailangan mo talagang i-check yung mga items bago ka mag-dismantle kasi maliit lang yung inventory space kay Rohan 2 Global. So, ang kailangan mo laging i-consider dito is yung item na nakukuha mo, mapa-early man yan or mapa-late game. Okay? So, yung item mo, may mga proper stats na kailangan naka-indicate doon sa item na yon or kailangan mong makuha doon sa item na yon para somehow masusustain mo yung damage on the later stages. Kasi let's say for example, yung mga stats na kinumbine mo inappropriate with what you need in the game, somehow nagsasayang ka ng resources, nagsasayang ka ng crons, okay? Which is hindi dapat ganon. Now, in terms of what stat is needed per item, okay, sa set, sa weapon, okay, gagawa natin yan ng separate tutorial dito guys. Kasi meron naman tayong set dito na pwede ipakita sa inyo. But anyway, yun yung isa sa mga dapat nyo i-consider para makapag-progress yung character nyo and para makapagpa-level kayo on the high tier maps. Okay? So, huwag nyo kalimutan yan guys kasi hanggang sa mag-level 100 kayo, kailangan yung ma-build yung foundation ng character nyo, which is the set itself. Okay? Though may dagdag na stats yung costumes, yung pet, or yung mount nyo, okay, iba pa rin kapag solid yung stats na meron kayo sa set. And yan yung magdadala sa inyo sa higher maps. And yung higher maps, kapag wala kayong matinong set guys, mamamatay kayo agad doon. So better na ngayon pa lang is inaaral nyo na kung ano yung mga stats or yung combination na kailangan nyo gawin basically with Rohan 2. But no worries, maglalabas tayo ng video about it kasi marami nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano din magsisimula. So maglalabas tayo ng updated video about it. Okay? Now, let's talk about the time spent sa leveling. Now, from level 1 to level 80, boosted yung experience nyo. Which means na mabilis kayong magle-level compared to the other players na nagpapa-level before. Okay? Kung compare natin dun sa unang release ni Rohan, wala namang ganyang benefit. Okay? Pero right now, nilagyan nila ng benefit na ganyan para makahabol yung mga bagong players dito sa game na to. Now, Rohan actually allows you to level up like 5 times faster during level 1 to level 80. But when you hit level 80 guys, dyan na magsisimula yung struggle ng leveling. So yung isang character natin na pinalevel guys, from level 80 to level 81, inabot ako ng 3 days bago ako nag-level. And to think, meron pang event nun na XP dungeon na double. Okay? Which means na medyo matagal na siya compared doon sa kung paano kayo nagle-level from level 1 to 80. Don't worry guys, since nagpapa-level ako, ito-document din natin yan and papakita natin sa inyo yung actual levels na nakukuha natin in a daily basis or yung experience na nakukuha natin in a daily basis. Kasi talagang mako-compress yan at talagang medyo matagal magpa-level dito sa Rohan pagdating nyo ng level 80. That's the first roadblock. Okay, so you must have to understand why it happens. Okay, so ganoon lang kasimple guys. Alright, so kailangan nyo lang talagang maging matyaga. Pero from level 1 to level 80, I think inabot ako na ng mga 3 weeks. Okay, bago tayo nag-level 80 or siguro mga 2 weeks and a half. Alright? So, possible mga 3 weeks to 4 weeks kung talagang hindi kayo masyado naglalaro. Okay? So, maganda yan na mapa-level 80 nyo talaga yung character nyo para at least alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo. Now, one of the things that you also consider here is kung ano yung purpose nyo. Kung trip nyo lang bang maglaro and also sumali talaga sa mga big guilds dito sa game or kung ang trip nyo talaga is kumita. Kasi kung ang trip nyo is kumita guys, mapapagastos kayo dito. There's no such thing as a free-to-play player dito kay Rohan 2 Global. Talagang gagastos kayo dito. Kasi bakit? Bibili kayo ng premium pass and this premium pass na bibili nyo would allow you to somehow acquire tradable prawns. Which means that these tradable prawns can be listed into the market and can be converted into Ruby na tradable din and also convertible. So si Ruby na convertible, i-convert nyo kay Ruby X, which is maglalabas din tayo ng cash out video natin dito sa Rohan 2 Global. Abangan nyo lang guys kasi nire-record natin lahat. Okay? But anyway, isa yan sa factors kung bakit kung pure free-to-play player ka, talagang ang magiging focus mo lang dito is either magpa-level ng accounts and swertehin sa gacha. But basically, in terms of like selling prawns, you really need to actually deposit money dito sa game na to by buying first yung premium pass. Kasi doon i-allow kang mag-trade ng prawn. So, yun yung isang bagay na kailangan yung i-consider dito sa game na to. And by the way, kung free-to-play player kayo and gusto nyo talagang kumita dito, kailangan talaga na meron na kayong account na geared up na instead of papalevelin nyo pa from scratch. So, totoo lang guys, mahirap siya. Okay? Though kung matyaga kayo and tingin nyo kaya nyong gawin yun, edi good for you. Pero kung hindi naman, mas okay na bumili na lang talaga kayo ng character with quitting players para at least already geared up na yung ginagamit nyo na character dito sa Rohan 2 Global. So, ang gagawin nyo na lang is magpa-farm na lang kayo sa mga farming spots and hindi na kayo mag-iisip na, oy, baka mamatay yung character ko. So, ganun siya kasimple. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. And gusto ko lang palang i-announce na magkakaroon tayo ng coupon giveaway dito sa video na to. All you just need to do is to follow the instructions that I will post on Twitter. Make sure na naka-follow din kayo sa Twitter natin, sa TikTok, and also sa YouTube channel natin. Mag-subscribe din kayo. Okay? Anyway, yun lang naman guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood and ano yung thoughts nyo regarding this video? Comment down below and alam nyo na guys, this is Liam again and peace out.